Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Google account, Node, JS, and the Firebase CLI. First, create a project in the console so Studio has a target. Once done, install and run npm install Firebase tools, then Firebase login to authorize your machine. Make sure to enable Firestore, authentication, and hosting in the project settings so Studio can scaffold features. This gets you past setup quickly and puts you into the editor with resources already provisioned for the next steps. You now focus on wiring services. Create the app scaffold in Studio and pick the platform so generated config matches your target. Then copy the SDK config into your project files, either the config object for web or the Google service info. List /JSON for native apps so the app authenticates with your project. Next, set up authentication providers you need and write basic Firestore security rules. Once these are configured, preview locally via Firebase emulators. Start to validate behavior before deployment. You finish by building and deploying. Run Firebase deploy and select the targets you changed. Monitor the CLI for success messages and then confirm the live site and services in the console. If something fails, reproduce the issue locally with Firebase emulators. Start and inspect logs. Function stack traces reveal common runtime errors. Also make sure you haven't hit project quotas or missing environment variables. If a deploy fails, fix the local error. Incrementally redeploy and recheck the console until all services report healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.